Many people are actually looking at Argentina because what's happening there is miraculous. The month-over-month rate of inflation was just 26, 27%. Now it's down to 2.7%. So this is month over month. It's absolutely phenomenal. Obviously, when you get something like that, the ramifications are enormous for the nation, for its people. And my next guest says also for the stock market. I'm going to bring in now Main Street Asset Management, their chief strategist, investment officer here, Aaron Gibbs. Aaron, you sent us this chart, which is, again, sort of speaks for itself. The S&P 500 normally looks pretty impressive.
Normally, it's that green line. That's what you expect for the S&P 500.
Normally.
And then there's someone else.
So this is Argentina. This is ARGT is a symbol there. This is a monster move. I guess we'd have to break out a much longer chart to understand that there's probably a whole lot more potential.
Absolutely, and we really are just hitting the iceberg. This all because of they had an election. They had a radical new president called Javier Milei.
That was in August.
That was in August.
Right here.
And you can see the proposals that he's made, the proposals he's done, and some of them are pretty extreme about like getting rid of the central bank, dollarization, just getting rid of the Argentinian peso.
Right.
Maybe those won't happen, but certainly already we've seen cutting government spending.
The election is here. Their market takes off. The animal spirits we talk about here, and it's all ironic because everyone's talking about here like this is only being a few days or a few month phenomena. It's already lasted half a year.
Yeah, here. And though this looks really sharp, I say given the kind of changes that we're seeing in Argentina, they have a lot of fundamentals going for them. They're heavier lithium exporters, soybeans, things that we need. So they've got that fundamental going on. It's really been about the stability of the government, and now that we have a government that is coming in that is serious about the exchange rate and inflation, that's what's going to push this country
I love
farther.
the videos of him when he was trying to be elected. He was ripping. They had all the different departments. He's like, we're getting rid of this. We're getting rid of that. We're getting rid of this. We're getting rid of that.
Yeah, we could take some notes.
We could. Well, listen, the Argentinian people have spoken, so have Americans. All right, you also like small caps, right? A lot of people have been coming on and like small caps. What I like is that you've broken it down for niches, right? Because small caps, even though it says small, it encompasses a lot.
Yep.
And this is one of the niches you like here.
Yes, exactly. So this is Archrock. This is energy, so small cap energy. They have a focus on natural gas. They do a lot of services. We're looking at 12% growth for the next 3 years. So like good, strong growth. A little on the expensive side, about 22 forward earnings, but given its expected growth and its ability to consistently beat earnings, they have a quality management
absolutely
team.
love this chart. I mean, major breakout. You had a gap open there. It just took off and continues to look pretty good.
Yes.
Here's a name, a small name that you like also. Same sort of chart is taking off here.
Yeah, Arcosta. So this is Construction Engineering Services. Long name, but basically they have their hands in infrastructure, in building both commercial and residential. So they have made some really good strategic acquisitions, have improved their efficiency. I mean, this is just management running on all cylinders. It's 16% expected growth over the next 3 years. So just exceptional decision processes. We know that this is a long-term trend within the U.S. and U.S.-based company.
What I love is two things. You always find these unique names, which I think is really important, but also you're looking out. These aren't trades. These are positions that people can put in and really hold them and enjoy what happens over the next 3 or 4 years in a country by positioning right now for that.
Yeah, and these are surprisingly high-quality companies within the small cap space.
Great stuff. Aaron, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And by the way, digging those boots. All right, folks.